What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's vlog, I'm actually going to be able to give you guys a little bit of an update on where we're at with the GR86 wide body install. And we're almost done, you guys. We're like at the last little bit of things that we need to do, a little bit of adjustments here and there, and then it's going to get sprayed with paint closer to the end of this week. It's Tuesday today, so. But before I give you guys the update, I actually need to pick up the tires for the 3-piece wheels we have, and then we got to go get them mounted, and then we got to bring them back to Cormotive, so that way they can kind of do some under the car adjustments, make sure we have clearance, make sure I can turn pretty well and stuff like that. So right now I'm in the pack mule truck, as you guys can see. That way we can fit everything nicely. I'll show you guys the tires we're going to be running once I get there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. We just got here to Cormotive. I'm gonna go inside, see what's up. I think they did a little bit of renovation too, so that might be different. But we already picked up the tires and we're gonna get the wheels right now. I'll talk more about the tires in a little bit, but let's go inside and see what's up with the car. Ooh, it's a lot different. This area was over there at one point. This is still the same, but this looks really nice. Right when you come in, and then they got their office area right here. Yeah, I like this switch a lot better. So we're waiting for David because he's currently with another customer right now. But damn, I feel like it's been a while since I've even been here, honestly. Alright, so I'm going to pick up the wheels right now in the back, but before I did, oh my god, this is David's wide body M3 right here on some Hoonigan Rotiform wheels, and fuck guys, this thing is so clean, you guys. What I mean by like super clean is like, look at these lines right here. It's just so perfect on how they put the wide body together, and then the wheels are just so fire. And then it's so nice. This pops out the carbon face right here, and it just sits really nice. Honestly, from far away you really couldn't tell that it had like a wide body. Like what makes you really notice is obviously you see the bolts right here, but this was put together so clean. I think he said like he didn't have this car for like 9 months, but I really wanted to show you guys this car because he displayed it at the eBay Hoonigan booth at SEMA, but I never got around to going to actually see it, just because there was so much freaking stuff. But this is like immaculate on some Toyos. This is so good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it makes me want a Beamer. And we got our baby right there, all discombobulated. Ah.
I shifted the headlight and all that.
Yeah.
Right here, this hole right here. So this is where the fender sits.
Yeah.
See how it's like super flimsy?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this leg off of the headlight bracket.
Okay.
Because it's influencing right here. So instead we're gonna weld in legs right here and here to hold this up.
Oh, I see.
Because what happens is on that kit, when you bolt it, it wants to sag. That's why you had the big old gap right here. So instead, we're gonna push this up
and then
cut the tube and weld that tube in right there, all three. That way, it holds that bracket up.
I see.
And then the last thing would be after we get the wheels, this section right here. You can see it because the fender sits here.
Yeah.
So that section right here, we're gonna have to cut and shave that, so we have the turning on it. I'm gonna cut from down here, like that.
And just take it out completely, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once the wheels are on there, more than likely I'm gonna cut like here.
Okay.
This side's the side I had to cut holes. So I cut one there. I saved that one. Cut that one, and that one.
So these are the new basically.
No. That's just to get access, so I can cut the old ones out.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, because instead of cutting all this open again, it's easier to just weld this in. So I was able to get in there,
yeah,
grab it, cut the head off it, and pull it out. That way it doesn't just fall in.
Yeah, and we hear rattling and stuff like that, right?
So I'm gonna patch that later. The spoiler just went to the body shop too. I wish that spoiler was here.
Real quickly, I just want to remind you guys that David had to do. We messed up. We shouldn't have painted. We shouldn't have painted over the car. Me and Timmy were trying to, you know, do it ourselves with, you know, inexperience but some experience, and we kind of gave him a lot more work than he had to do. And I just wanted to throw that out there. So if you guys watched that video, you wanted to use that as an example, well, maybe not the best example for you guys to do, you know what I mean? It wasn't a how-to video, just want to throw that out there, but we wanted to kind of tackle it ourselves, but we ended up causing them more work, and so that's why it's been taking such a long time, because they've been having to rework a lot of stuff, especially like it was like literally peeling off. Like he sent me like a small video and he was literally able to like peel it off as if it was like wrap, and so that doesn't look good. If you guys saw that, you guys would definitely notice that. So I just wanted to throw that out there before you guys kind of jump in the comments, you know.
So detail comes out on Thursday.
Yeah.
They're gonna clay and polish out the whole car.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna install on Friday.
Cool.
Hopefully everything comes out clean and we'll be good.
Hell yeah. So the plan is for the car to hopefully be done by the 11th. David is actually throwing an open house here at Carmotive in Riverside, California. It starts at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So definitely come out, you guys, and check out the Cars and Coffee. It's gonna be really cool. He's gonna have a ton of cars here, and hopefully this car will be done. I did tell him though that if we needed more stuff to be done, not to rush it, but still I'm gonna be here regardless. So definitely come by, you know, have some fun, check out the cars, and it should be a good time, you guys. So I'll mention that. I'll put up the flyer on the screen right now, just to give you guys a reminder. Alright guys, so we came over here to a place called Dr. Rim Repair. Obviously it's a repair company, but they're going to mount and balance our wheels and tires. So shout out to Ariel and Grumpy for sending me here. I wanted to show you guys that we ended up going with the Hankook Ventus V12s. Again, I love these tires so freaking much. When we had them on the rotiforms, that I had to get another set for these VIP modular wheels, and I'm super excited. These are a little bit bigger, so in the fronts we're going to be going with 255 by 35, and then in the rears we're going to be going by 275 by 35. So it's going to be staggered this time. It's not going to be squared like the first setup, but I'm more used to the staggered, considering that we did that all the time on the Lexus. So definitely some way bigger boys than the last ones, and we're going to be stretching just a little bit on these, but I'm not too worried about that. It should look the same as the rotiform stretches, so it's not too crazy. But yeah, I'm excited to see how they're gonna look right now. So let's go ahead and unload these so these guys can put them on. So these are the fronts, you guys, so they look pretty nice and thick. Just can't wait to see the rears right now.
Really nice and balanced, alright.
Hell yeah. Jeez, big shout out to Dr. Rim Repair. Appreciate you guys. These are the rears right here, you guys. Now we gotta load it up, head back to Carmotive, drop them off, and then head home. Alright you guys, so it is finally trickling down to the end of this vlog. I'm currently editing it right now, and so I was really glad that I was able to finally give you guys an update on the install, because I know I've been talking about trying to get you guys that and I haven't been able to. So definitely glad I was able to get this update, and we're almost there, you guys. I'd say like next week for sure the car will be on the road. We'll finally be able to drive it. I haven't had the car since September, you guys, and it's like about to be the new year. So you guys, so a lot of you guys will know how I feel. So I really appreciate all you guys that have been supporting, and all you new subscribers. I really appreciate all you guys sticking along for the journey. Don't forget that this Sunday at the Carmotive shop in Riverside, There's going to be a Cars and Coffee open house, and the GR86 will be there on display. So it won't be completely finished, but it'll be there on display. The kit will be installed, the wheels, tires, and all that stuff. So after that, well, there'll still be a little bit of things that we need to do. So that's why I said next week will be like completely done. So another thing, I know I passed 2,100 subscribers, and I know that I told you guys that at 2,000 I would do a giveaway. Now I just had a couple questions for those of you guys that are watching, and those of you guys that care to enter the giveaway. So I do have an extra carbon fiber spoiler from Night. If you guys have watched the previous vlog and you've seen the install of the carbon fiber spoiler, I have an extra one of those. Now this one is just a little bit minor damage, but I will ship it to any of you guys if you guys want it. Actually, let me show you real quick. Alright guys, so here is the carbon fiber spoiler. It's brand new, you guys, literally, but like I said, it's just these minor scratches here, and then like minor scratches here on the end, and then just another one more little minor scratch. So like, it's still good. I think that if I didn't already have the wide body with the wing coming on, I definitely would use it on my own personal car. But like I said, I think that would be kind of cool to just shoot it to you guys for the giveaway for free. Like I said, if any of you guys would want this in the giveaway, let me know in the comments down below, as well as my front lip that's on my stock bumper, you guys. I have to take it off still, but I could throw up like an image here what it looks like. But if you guys have seen my car, it's pretty nice. So it's from AutoWorks SoCal, so definitely I'm willing to give that away to one of you guys for free. I will ship it to you guys, as well as this carbon fiber spoiler. And then maybe for like, I don't know, for people who don't have these cars, maybe I could throw in like a $50 gift card or something. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would be down for that. I want to know if you guys would be cool with that, just so that way I wouldn't, like, you know, be giving you guys something that's kind of you know what I mean? So if you guys are down with that, let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll start that giveaway on the next vlog. Make sure you guys are following my Instagram too, because I'm definitely more active on there with stuff like this. And if you guys are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, because we're growing every day and we're not stopping, just like I say every single time, you guys. So that's all I got for this episode, you guys. So make sure you guys live long and prosper, and see you guys in the next one.